All right, I'm back. I had to literally contemplate game plan for the right way to do this, or the best way. Came up with a solution, and now it's time to show you. All right. Let's grab this ice and water shield. Where's my pillow? Ice and water shield. Let's grab this. Roll this out. Let's cut it to length. Bing and bing. All right. I want it to go here. I want it to go about here. I'm gonna dry fit this in. Let's get it underneath the apron. Keep it coming. And we're gonna turn this corner like so. Kind of cutting this as if I was doing TPO or something. EPDM. I'll cut this a little short here, just so I can get it in a little bit easier. So I'm hoping this goes in one shot, but I'm sure it'll be a little baby battle. I'm sure I missed a nail somewhere or something. Get this thing butt naked. All right, let's try this underneath. All right, so far so good. Get underneath of this also. Start going north. Come on, baby. Oh. Keep going. All right, all right. Progress. All right. I think that was more or less the height I wanted it. All right. I ain't mad at that. Just get underneath of this one. Check this whole area. Put a couple attaches in here. That's how you say staple in Spanish. Take this piece. Oh. Get this underneath. Yes. Hello? All right. Got that thing tucked away pretty nice right there. This looks nuts. Try to clean this off a little bit. Get this clean. So as I'm shingling, I can add some sealant to it. Make sure no more water gets up in there. So I'm gonna put a piece here, and then I'm more than likely gonna put another piece on top as like a counter flashing. All right, so let's do that. Looks like I got the perfect amount left over. I'm trying to get rid of this roll for a long time, and I think I might actually finally be able to do that. Oh. This little nasty roll made me a couple bucks over these last couple months. Couple ding dongs. It's been like I think throughout the country it's kind of been like really hot in July. I should say July in general. Usually it is pretty hot, but this year was particularly hot. I know when I went up to New York, they were saying that it was like the hottest July on record or something silly like that. So that says something. And it is actually, it's like kind of warm right now, but it's like a comfortable light humid hot that you would expect from a typical summer. So I'm having the time of my life right now doing this, because I feel pretty dang good. Staple this down, go underneath. Then like I said, I'm gonna put another one on top after that, after I build up the shingles. I'm gonna be kind of shingling and caulking as I go up. You know, with this being like a high volume water area, this has got to be done well, or else they're gonna call me back and I'll feel like an idiot. So that is the plan. This is definitely the area I got to be most cautious with, but more or less the whole area I need to be cautious with. I don't want to come back here. I mean, I wouldn't mind coming back, but not for the same leak. I'd feel like an idiot. I'd feel like a dum-dum. Okay. Turn on my favorite tool, the Milwaukee cordless. Milwaukee cordless for the win. And I actually brought some snips up here so I can cut it like a bird. Why not? Just got this one job today. Why not work like a gentymanian? Nothing wrong with treating yourself good every once in a while now. Come on, man. All right. Got a little sealy deal. Gonna seal the deal on that. Add a little bit here, just in case. Good. Put a little slapper in here. Put a little bit here on that screw. I do like to caulk up every hole I see, just in case. Just in case. And I missed the nail. Ain't that about right? Wouldn't be right if I ain't miss a nail. Wouldn't be the best roofer of the South without missing a nail. Okay, got that lined up. I'm actually gonna nail high because I know the water is not exactly streaming off of this thing. So add that nail. This next one should be a full piece, but let's double check. Yep, full piece of work there. So it looks like I missed a nail here. Let's add one here. Seal this up, seal this up, seal this up. And I think there was one more under here. Shouldn't be an issue, but let's seal it up anyway. Float that in so it doesn't disturb the caulk. Slide it up in that amount. Okay. Same thing, nail it up a little high. All right. What we got here? So this next one is probably a full and a piece, huh? Get this garbage out of here. All right, let's double check what we got. All right, this is gonna be a piece, a full and a piece. Slide it in, line it up, nail high, nail high, nail the best we can. Caulk gun. Get caulky, walkie-caulky. Got a little sealant. Over here should be that piece I cut off. Should work, right?